How to split a string based on in MS Excel. My Excel column is filled with words like this. I want to split each word based on, and put the result in adjacent columns such that ABC, DCF in cell A:1 becomes ABC in cell B:1 and DCF in cell C:1 and also corresponding values in each column. How to do this?
Go to Data tab, then Text to Columns option. Later, choose Delimited option and then select Other and put any delimiter you want.
Text to columns will work. Another option, if you want to keep the original value, is to use formulas. In B1. In C1.
If you can use the then you can make use of the split function. Here's a user-defined function, UDF, that you can use in a cell. It splits on your choice of character and returns the nth element of the split list. See how do I add that in MS Office. For information on how to define a UDF, so you'd need to enter
Microsoftexcel.